talking about the education and other motivation to the children, I said social media is increasing and social media should be used positively. For instance, government कसली सध्या कामा करता, government कामा करता असताना it is definitely coming on social media. CM करता, सरकार करता, ministers करता. त्यांना आम्ही जेव्हा सगळे फेसबुकार सोशल मिडियार येता, immediately comments come from certain sections of the people who are maybe abroad in various parts of the world, who do not understand what problems are being faced here, but at the same time be critics about what we are trying to do here. You have people who have critical mind throughout. तू बरें केलें जाल्यार वायटूच म्हणटा आनी वायटूय केल्यार वायटूच म्हणटा. Again, these people who are not in Goa are commenting on it majorly. गोंयकार जे भायर खंय आसा आमकां तितलेच त्या प्रेम गोंयकारांचें आसा. People from my constituency also are there, all over Goa they are there for their own bread and butter or whatever. I am not commenting गोंयकारपण म्हणटा, they also come in the frame who are having validity here. We are not talking on those people. I am talking about a certain section of people who criticize for the sake of criticizing. Unfortunately, social media is an expression, but the type of language which is being used on social media, I don't think needs, it should have some barriers. The bad words वापरप, बाकीचे वापरप ते आसा बरें.
So what you are essentially saying is you are troubled by negativity rather than criticism.
No, a politician should always be ready for everything. I am just giving a scope of thoughts for people who think can explore from their side also. गोंयकार हांगाच्यान भायर वता, कामाक वता, आमचे सोयरे आसात, आमचे फ्रेंड्स आसात. It is all over. Some people have made their own Portuguese passports. Portuguese passports to settle abroad only. They have no thing of coming back. Maybe they'll come once in a while. I am not trying to create a divide between any of these people. What I am trying to very particularly say, which I said, सरकाराच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी कितें करतले ताका प्रोत्साहन दिवपी जाय. तूं 10 कमेंट्स वाचले आनी 10 समज नेगेटिव्ह येवंक लागले फॉर पॉझिटिव्ह थॉट्स ऑफ द गव्हर्नमेंट, दॅट मीन्स दे आर सिटींग देर ओनली टू क्रिटिसाइज. फेसबुक आनी सोशल मिडिया बरें वापरप, बरें माध्यमान वापरप, दिस इज वॉट आय एम टेलिंग.
My most controversial phrase probably in that whole thing, because I also heard it again and again, and there are many people who have come out in support of you also, but the most controversial phrase was that those who have lost love for Goa. Now I think that they lagle tanga lost love for Goa, they lagle.
I would connect this lost love to people who have taken a Portuguese passport. गोंयकार भायर वता, रावता, त्रास काडटा, काम करता, मदीं येता, मदीं वता. It's fine. That's what we are going, because we do not maybe have opportunities till date over here, which we are trying to create. But there are certain sections of people who have gone abroad and settled abroad for greener pastures, not wanting to come back to Goa. Government of Goa is, or the CM or all of us are trying to put some efforts to put that how politics and kidak aila for love of Goa only. But to come into the system and make a change is what we are trying today. The departments which we had last 5 years as a opposition or आता ज्यो गजाल्यो गोंयकारांक जाय आशिल्ल्यो त्योच घडोवपाक आमी दीस रात करता. So when we are trying to do some difference, what we are asking for a participation, not criticism all the time. Politicians are averse to criticism. You have to, if you are going wrong or no, you do it. But when you want to run a negative campaign on positive things, I think that is somewhere where social media should have a barrier.
You are making a very clear decision. Distinction अशें आसा की जे seafarers आसा, you feel nothing wrong in they going out, earning their bread and butter. I'm just taking an example and coming back. And it's a quite okay normal thing. पण ज्या लोकांनी इंडियन सिटीजनशिप दिल्या आणि ताणें पोर्तुगीज पासपोर्ट घेतला, यू आर सेइंग दॅट कॅनॉट बी जस्टिफाईड.
सी अगेन तू माझ्या तोंडांतल्यान काढ.
आय एम आस्किंग.
गोंयकारपण ज्या मनशाक आसा त्या गोंयकारा बरोबर आमी आसात. गोंयकारपण सोडून जो गेला, तो येत ना हांगा, तो गोंया येवचोय ना, आपले सगळे दार घर सगळे विकून गेलो. वेदर इज होल्डिंग एनी टायप ऑफ अ पासपोर्ट, मोस्टली दिस टायप ऑफ पीपल हॅव चेंज देयर सिटीजनशिप. When you have changed the citizenship of the country, where is the love for the country?